I am used to using the choke, honest. When I picked up Hilda B, the car that this camera is obviously sitting on at the minute, we noticed something that wasn't quite right. It was something where the person that had rebuilt it had put something or some things on the wrong way round, but the question is what? So I'm now going to split the screen in two. On the left hand side you'll see Hilda B as she is at the moment, and on the right hand side you'll see how she is when we've corrected the items that were put back on the wrong way round. But can you spot them before we reveal all? I do love games like this. Do you know, I'm really thrilled that most of the comments on Hilda B on the reveal video, this video, if you haven't seen it, why not go and check it out anyway? It meant a lot to me. And most people were very supportive, and I was kind of expecting people to do the usual sort of, just that small minority of people to do the usual, it's got the wrong wheels, it's not standard colour, paintwork's no good. Basically armchair experts who just want my car at the end of the day to be how they want it to be, which of course that's not how it is it everyone? It's my car, and it'll be whatever I want it to be. I think you understand. So we'll go round the car. Now of course I'm not going to say whether it's at the front, at the side or the back. Time for the next one. They have to go in the other way around, don't they? You c***. I'll show you what I've done wrong in a minute. What I did there is, it's a little fitting to hold the lens on. That fitting should be through the back. If it's not through the back, how does it hold the f***ing lens on? Right. Reassuring sound of a click. I don't know, I'm putting the lens cap back on. These little brass things are a nuisance. That's all I'm going to say. Put the lights on. That's it, the bright lights are on. I can't see the park lights are on. Yeah.